This one-page tutorial that shows how a letter can become an envelope is on my blog, and I'll put the link in the description. But some people like to see it actually done in real time. So that's what I'm going to do here. We're going to make a regular piece of 8.5 by 11 paper into an envelope that can actually be sent in the mail. So it's nice to use some of these decorative specialty papers that you can get. This is one that I made that has the image on the inside and the border on the outside. I'm going to start with this one, and then I'm going to do it a couple of times more, just so you don't have to keep rewinding the video if you don't get it the first time. So, first step is fold the paper in half, and I'll follow along with this. So if you do also at some point, it'll be easier to understand. And I'm starting with the image face down, and that way the image will be on the outside of the envelope. So first, carefully fold in half, then unfold. We're going to bring each corner, I'm going to bring the left upper corner down to the fold and the right bottom corner up to the fold. There we go. This right side is going to fold over to meet the edge of the previous fold on the top. The same thing at the bottom. Here we go. Now what you want to look for are pockets. Here's a pocket. There's a pocket. I'm going to put the upper right-hand corner into the pocket on the left. And put the lower corner on the left into the pocket on the right. And we're done. There it is. And then you can add some of your own decorations if you want. So I'm going to do that again, and then I might even do it a third time. This time I'm just going to do it and not talk about it, and you can follow along on the directions if you want. There that one is. And finally, I'm going to take my little feathered friend, and he's going to be on the inside, and I can write a note from him. I was looking forward to trying out this one. I wanted to see how all those scattering of stars ended up. That's pretty nice. Okay, so the letter that becomes an envelope, easy peasy. Have fun.